Let us prepare Pudina Chutney.
Yummy! Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a kadai, add 2 tablespoons gingerly oil, 1 tablespoon split urad dal, 1 tablespoon chana dal. Fry this well. Once they turn slightly golden, add 7 to 8 garlic pods, 1.5 inch ginger and fry this together. Add a handful of small onion. Add 1 split green chilli. Add 2 large cut tomatoes. Fry this all together until the tomatoes turn mushy. Add 1 heaped cup of washed pudina leaves. Add handful of washed coriander leaves. Fry this well until you see the leaves shrink. Turn off the flame and let this cool down. Transfer this to a mixer jar. Add salt as needed. Add quarter glass of water and grind it well. Adjust water as per the consistency needed. Add tadka with curry leaves, split urad dal, mustard seeds and red chilies. Simple and easy yet tasty Pudina chutney is ready. Chamayal ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.